how to create a link for photos in Google Drive. So first thing we want to do is bring up a web browser and we want to open up Google Drive and then simply log in. Once you're logged in to Google Drive, you can search here for a drive with your photos in, or you can come down to the suggested files here and find a photo you want to share. I want to share this photo here. So what we can do, you want to highlight it, then right click it. Now we want to come down to share and share again. The reason we don't press copy link just yet is we want to change some of the settings. Now at the top here you can write people's email or any groups that you're in, and you can add them to the people with access. So find the people or the people's email and add them to the people with access. Or you can come down here, select restricted, drop down here, and then choose anyone with a link. Then once you've done that, you can copy link. Now you can send that link to anyone, and when they paste it into a web browser, they will have access to that photograph. Now you can change the role from a viewer, a commentator or an editor. Now this will give them different roles, what they can do with the photograph. However, that's how to create a link for photos in Google Drive. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.